Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Toyota Yaris Ascent Hatch, stock reference number 4401. This shape runs from the 8th month 2011 through to the 12th month 2019. It has a 2NZ 1.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 2NZ 1.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with 15-inch steel rims. Left front has a ball tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. It's got a tidy rear park sensor type bumper cover. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black center console, manual type, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, missing one of the center knobs, single stack touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.